ChargerLAB this time got a GaN charger from Infinix. This charger is equipped with European pins and a USB-C port. It can support a charging power of up to 180 watts. Next, we'll take it apart to see its internal components and structure. Take off the protective film. It has a one-piece white case with a glassy surface. The Infinix is printed in the middle, and the 140 watts hypercharger is printed on the center of the back. The specs info are printed on the input end. It has passed EAC and CE certifications. Model is U1800XEA. It can support input of 100 to 140 watts, 50 or 60 Hz, 3 amp. The maximum output power is 180 watts. The charger is equipped with European pins. The other side has a USB-C port. The size of it is about 56 by 66 by 32 mm, and the weight is about 175 grams. ChargerLAB Power ZKM003C shows the USB-C port can support QT 3.0, TFCP, PD 3.0, PPS, QT5, and DCP charging protocols. And it has 4 fixed PDOs of 5V, 9V, 15V, 3A, 20V, 5A, and a set of PPS. Next, let's start to take it apart. Use a spudger and a hammer to remove the cover along the gap. The PCB module and the prongs are connected by wires, and the wires are soldered to the PCB module. Cut off the wires and take off the PCB module. There is a heatsink on the top of the PCB module, and there is a white board between the primary and secondary sides for insulation. There is also a white plastic board on the back of the PCB module for insulation, and a heatsink is on the board to enhance the heat dissipation. Clean up the PCB module. There are fuse, common motor choke, capacitors, inductors, and transformer on the front. The PFC controller, PFC rectifier, flyback controller, optocouplers, and synchronous rectifier controller on the back. ChargerLAB founded the opposite PFC circuit and flyback topology with synchronous rectification. Next, we'll take a look at each component starting from the input end. The input fuse marked with 932 is from Betterfuse, 5A, 250 volts. The common motor chokes are wound with magnetics and insulated wires, and they are also insulated with frames. The green thermistor is used to suppress the surge current. The safety X2 capacitor is from ICE, 0.33 microfarad. Another common motor choke is wound with flat copper wire and insulated with a frame. The bridge rectifier is from PANJIT, 1000 volt, 4 amp. The another bridge rectifier is the same as the previous one. The two bridge rectifiers can share the heat equally. There are two film filter capacitors, 1 microfarad, 450 volts. The filter inductor is wound with magnetic ring and insulated by a black frame. The PFC controller is from Silergy. It integrates the boost converter for high efficiency. The PFC boost MOSFET is from Innoscience and adopts DFN 8x8 package, 650 volts, 150 mA. The PFC boost inductor is wound with ATQ17 magnetic core, 180 watts. The PFC rectifier is from Pingwei, 5A, 600 volts. The diode is marked with RS3MBF. These electrolytic capacitors for input filtering are from AiSHi Arcade series and they are connected in parallel. 420 volts, 27 microfarad for each. The total capacity is 135 microfarad. The PWM controller is from Dialog. It is a digital flyback controller that supports zero voltage switching and adaptive multi-mode control operation. This MOSFET is from Innoscience. This is the filter capacitor that powers the master control chip, 100 volts, 10 microfarad. The transformer adopts a TQ25 magnetic core. These two optocouplers are used for PFC control and output voltage feedback, respectively. The Synchronous rectifier controller is from JOULWATT. It supports modes of DCM, CCM, QR, and ACF. The Synchronous rectifier is from AOS and adopts the FN 5x6 package, 100 volts, 2.9 mA. This is a heatsink for the Synchronous rectifier. These two solid capacitors are from Barrow, 1000 microfarad, 25 volts for each. This is a V-bus MOSFET on the front of the PCB of the USB-C socket. The protocol chip, sampling resistor, TVS, and thermistor are on the back. The protocol chip is from Infinix. It is used for USB ports and integrates multiple fast charging protocols. The V-bus MOSFET for output is from VGSami and adopts PDFN3333 package, 30 volts, 3 mA. Well, those are all components of the Infinix 180W GaN charger. It adopts a one-piece white case and European pins. The maximum output power is 180 watts. It can also support fast charging of 100 watts PD. After taking it apart, we found it adopts a PFC circuit and flyback topology. The charger has copper heat sinks to displace heat for the PFC boost inductor and GaN FETs. The internal components are fixed with glue, and the workmanship is solid. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you next time. Bye!